Hey there, and welcome to our tutorial on how to view labor costs in Connecteam. Let's get started. Before accessing labor costs, ensure that pay rates are enabled. This allows scheduled labor costs to be displayed. Additionally, for actual labor costs to be recorded, employees must use the time clock feature to clock in. To view labor costs, open the job scheduling feature and select the relevant schedule. Click on View Options and select Show More to expand the available options. Finally, toggle on labor costs to display scheduled labor expenses. Next, click on the three dots next to the labor costs option and choose one or both of the following options. Scheduled labor costs are based on assigned shifts and employee pay rates. Actual labor costs are based on recorded working hours and pay rates. Now, both scheduled and actual labor costs will be displayed at the top of each day, allowing you to understand your wage expenses and maintain profitability within your business. To view labor costs by jobs or layers, switch the view mode to View by Jobs or View by Layers. This provides insights into labor costs across different jobs or customer assignments, allowing better analysis and adjustments. To view labor costs in Daily View, switch to Day mode for a more detailed breakdown and enable daily totals in the View Options menu. Hover over the Labor tab on the far right to view daily labor costs. Note that labor costs are only visible to admins with permission to at least view pay rates. That's it for today. Thank you for joining us. For further assistance, feel free to use our Help Center anytime.